Appraising a yacht requires a sound knowledge of the factors likely to influence its value. Choosing the right expert is essential. They will assess the boat according to specific criteria, including its size, value, technological complexity, and the geographical location of its mooring. The costs associated with a yacht survey can vary depending on the model of yacht, as well as its size, make, and age. Super yachts require a more detailed survey to assess all aspects of the vessel. Advanced navigation systems, interior fittings, and state-of-the-art entertainment facilities. The need for a regular survey also ensures that the value of your investment is maintained. The cost of a yacht survey starts at €500. There are two main billing methods for survey services. The first is based on a fixed value per meter of hull. The advantage of this approach is transparency in the pricing of your yacht survey. The second billing method is based on the duration of the survey. It's therefore important to use a professional you can trust to examine your boat. To obtain a reliable marine survey, you can call on a professional who specializes in the nautical field. The CNEMP provides you with a list of approved surveyors in France. The International Federation of Marine Surveyors, FIEM, also has a list of surveyors you can turn to. Using a yacht broker is a simple solution for surveying your yacht. The broker acts as a trusted intermediary who puts his technical, nautical, and commercial skills at your service, with the aim of accurately assessing the condition of your yacht, its history, and its market value. The intervention of a broker guarantees a fair and equitable value for your yacht. Surveyors whose directories are available from the French Nautical Industries Federation, FIN, are professionals specially trained to carry out thorough investigations of boats. Their expertise covers assessment of the condition of the hull, engines, electronics, onboard safety, and all other safety equipment. We've broken down the yacht survey process into 5 steps. The first step is to find a boat surveyor who is qualified, experienced, and approved. You can carry out this research online, seek recommendations from marine brokers, or turn to yachting associations for advice. Step 2. Once you've identified the yacht surveyor, get in touch to discuss your specific requirements. Take advantage of this meeting to draw up an estimate for the survey of your yacht. This will also allow you to compare the different levels of service and pricing available on the market. Step 3. Once you've accepted the surveyor's quote, schedule a visit to your yacht at a date and time that suits you. The surveyor will thoroughly inspect every aspect of your yacht and assess its general condition. Step 4. Following the inspection, the surveyor will provide you with a detailed survey report. This report includes all the information relating to the general condition of your boat, any repairs that may be necessary, as well as recommendations for maintenance and safety on board. The yacht inspection also covers the hull, paintwork, deck, superstructure, equipment, engine, and the interior of the vessel, including equipment and structure. Finally, the vessel's safety equipment and administrative documentation are also checked to ensure that your yacht is compliant. Step 5. Depending on the conclusions of your survey report, you'll be able to make informed decisions. This may include selling your boat, undertaking any necessary repairs, or carrying out renovation work. Pelagia Yachting specializes in luxury yacht brokerage. Backed by a team of experienced and passionate professionals, we're committed to providing a personalized experience to each client to meet their yachting needs and desires. We put our network of professionals and our in-depth knowledge of the market at your disposal to find your perfect vessel. We'll guide you through the entire purchasing process. At Pelagia Yachting, we value quality over quantity, and we make it a point to offer a privileged experience to each of our clients. Visit pelagiayachting.com today.